Huh? So delicious. Oh, Oreo goes perfectly with milk. Especially when you dip your cookie in the milk. Here comes another one.
If Oreo goes good with milk, then it's the same with pizza and Coke. Yum!
Sammy, that's a bad idea. But I know one way to combine pizza and Coke.
Me too! I'll drink all the Coke and then eat the whole pizza! They will combine in my stomach.
My way is more interesting and more aesthetically pleasing.
No matter what Sue's idea is, I'm still gonna eat this pizza and drink all the Coke. Sue, why did you turn the blower on?
It's not a blower, it's a special hand fan. But your instincts were right. These are sheets made of cans that we didn't use in our previous craft.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked our fan made of Coke cans.
Oh, great job, Sammy! Using these blueprints, we'll turn the former Coke cans into the parts of our craft. I love cooking crafts. And you, Sammy?
Guys, give a thumbs up if you still don't understand what we're crafting here. Sue, I'm not implying anything, but I really want to know what your unusual craft idea is.
Sammy, just think of a way we can combine pizza and Coke.
I already suggested an option, but you said it's not aesthetically pleasing.
I gave you so many hints already. Can't you guess?
What kind of hints? Just tell me, what are we crafting?
Isn't it more fun to guess yourself? Come on, Sammy. Train your brain.
It's already trained, but okay, I'll try. Maybe you want to make a special pizza box?
Oh, Sammy, that's too simple. Wrong.
What do you mean, simple? I just didn't have enough time. Maybe it's, a pizza made of Coke cans.
Sounds better, but still wrong.
Oh, enough mysteries, tell me.
Every woman should have a little bit of mystery.
Well, not every slime likes mysteries.
Okay, I'll give you a small hint. Think logically. Where does pizza come from?
From the box.
Okay, where does the box come from?
From the pizzeria.
Sammy, I mean, how is it made?
Okay, I knew it from the start. I just wanted to be mysterious like you.
Oh, well, you have to train a lot to reach my level of being mysterious.
So wait, are we making an oven?
Bingo! This oven will be a great addition to the brick stove we made not so long ago. Sammy, I don't even know why you need so many ovens.
More ovens means more pizzas!
Well, the base for our oven is ready. I think it looks very aesthetically pleasing.
Sue, I mastered your skill and understood how to be mysterious.
Sam, being mysterious needs lots of practice. I don't think you could master it that fast. And especially reach my level of the skill.
I bet you'll be surprised.
Huh. Think you can scare me? What are we betting on? The loser will bake 100 small pizzas in the oven we're crafting.
Ready? I'm something that smells cheesy.
Only when you don't take a shower.
Sue, that's all funny. You're ruining my mysteriousness.
Oh, sorry.
I'm something that smells cheesy, but I'm not a pair of socks. I am a meal that is sliced and delivered in a box. Sue, there's no rush. It's a tough one, so I'll give you time to think.
Oh, well, thank you, kind Sam. I'll definitely use this time to explain to our viewers what we're doing now. Guys, we're applying the glue to the edge of this piece. And then fixing the edge with a clip so it's glued well. Then we'll repeat it with every edge of the piece.
So, I'm sure you don't know the right answer.
Pizza!
What? That was a super tough riddle. How did you guess it?
Oh, Sammy, I told you. To reach my level of mysteriousness, you need to train a lot. And it's gonna take you a long time to bake 100 pizzas.
was sure I'd win. 100 pizzas is too complicated and too long.
Okay, Sammy. I have a better idea. I know how you can pay it off.
I feel somewhat uneasy.
Sammy, are you ready to pay your debt?
Sue, your mysteriousness is becoming more frightening.
Don't worry, I'll give you a simple task. Actually, I liked your riddle. Guys, be careful working with the lighter. Ask an adult to do it for you.
In fact, if I prepare all the ingredients beforehand, it won't be that challenging to bake 100 pizzas.
If you insist.
No, Sue, it'll be my pleasure to complete your task.
Sounds good. Listen carefully. You'll have to come up with a recipe of a super delicious pizza that we can bake in our oven. Come on, Sammy. I believe in you.
Slime Chef Sam is ready to start the mission.
While Sam's generating ideas, we'll continue making the oven. Guys, don't forget that you have to be careful with the lighter.
Eureka!
So, what did you come up with?
Coca Cola pizza!
So, you decided to combine Coke and pizza in your belly anyway.
Hear me out. This is my very special pizza recipe.
Oh, I already guessed that.
The dough, made of top quality flour with addition of fresh Coke. This will give unforgettable gastronomic pleasure.
Sammy, you talk a good game, but I'm not sure my stomach will be so happy with this combo.
But there will be cheese too.
Oh, well that makes a difference.
Sue, you don't understand. Cooking is art, and art demands risk.
Okay, but I don't want to risk my health, you know.
Nonsense! Geniuses are often unappreciated by their contemporaries.
Sammy, I appreciate you and love you, but sometimes I think you're just too genius.
Unfortunately, it's true.
Guys, check out our cool oven.
Give a thumbs up if you like it too.
And subscribe to our channel not to miss another genius idea from our Sam. I'm sure we'll make a super delicious pizza in this oven.
Coca Cola pizza.
Sam, do you think it's possible to cut a can with a piece of paper?
Well, if we consider the can's density and the friction,
It's possible!
that's what I wanted to say.
Well, Sammy, since you're such a physicist, tell me, which part of the oven we're making now?
Actually, I'm a slime chef, plus your question's too easy. It's obvious that we're making the lid for our oven. We'll need it to accumulate the heat in a small area, which is necessary to make the pizza really delicious.
Whoa, you impressed me with your knowledge. You're right. Pizza made in our oven should be very tasty.
Yep, especially the Coca-Cola one. Its special recipe will impress everyone.
But I still prefer traditional pizza.
Traditional.
Oh, what kind of sarcastic comment is that?
If only you knew what you were talking about.
I know! I'm talking about a delicious pizza with sausage and tomato sauce and lots of cheese.
My naive friend. I don't want to disappoint you, but pizza wasn't always so tasty. A long time ago, pizza was a food for the poor.
So what?
Well, so they put the most inexpensive and easy to get ingredients in bread. Mostly it was garlic.
Ooh! Didn't they put cheese on top?
Cheese? They didn't even wash it down with Coke.
Oh, pizza without cheese and Coke? That doesn't sound delicious.
Unlike my Coca-Cola pizza. Sue, we need a door here.
Sam, you're reading my mind.
I can do more than that.
Oh, I know that. For example, you can invent new inedible recipes.
Sue, you didn't even try my pizza! How can you make conclusions?
Sorry, Sammy, you're right. I don't have to jump that fast to conclusions.
Exactly. What if my pizza becomes the most delicious and the most famous in the whole world?
That would be cool. Just imagine, you'll open your own slime pizzeria. where you'll make pizza according to your special recipe.
And it will be baked in the oven we made. Things you can watch forever. Fire.
And Sam making his pizza.
Shoo, we're gonna make it together.
With pleasure. Let's put your mini pizza in our oven. There we go. Guys, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked our idea of combining Coke and pizza. But more importantly, if you like the cool oven we made. It's time to try the delicious pizza we made!
Yummy! Shiver me cheddars, what a scent! This pizza's amazing! Guys, the pizza can't wait anymore. I need to eat it fast. See you next time. Bye-bye!